here's another video for you. Please subscribe. I don't know. I have a red lip, so the only thing I keep thinking in my mind is Christmas. So I'm kind of jumping the gun here, but a holiday makeup. This is what this video is going to be about. Welcome to Midnight Mondays with Mikelya. I'm back with another video. I'm going to be attempting something new. Sometimes when I do my makeup, I get caught up in doing everyday looks because I just want to look average on the day-to-day. I just want a little extra, pizzazz. But today I think I want to focus really on expanding my looks because I don't want to wear everyday makeup look to a party or if I have a special event. I just want to make sure that I have a wide range of looks to pull from whenever I need to. I don't want to just be one-dimensional. So I want to try to mix bold lip, bold eyes. I know there are rules and you have to know the rules to break them. Who cares? But I've seen a lot of stuff work. So I'm going to be trying something. Whether it's going to be pass or fail, it's going to be up to the final look. But I'm going to start off like my everyday makeup look. And then I'm just going to progress and see what we come up with. Let's get it. Alright, so first I'm going to prep my face. I've already washed my face and put moisturizer on. So I'm pretty good in that aspect. I'm going to go in with my primer. And I use the Fenty Pro Filter. Now a lot of my products are Fenty because me and Rihanna have the same birthday. And every year I buy something to support her for her birthday. Because it's also my birthday. I know it sounds weird. Who cares? We got the same birthday, so I just like that. Anyway, so after I put the primer on, I'm definitely going to start getting those areas where I do have a lot of shine. I have combination skin. I get really oily here, here, and here, and sometimes on my nose. So what I'm going to do is take a powder, and this is Juvia's Place in Kalahari. So I'm going to get a little bit of this, and I'm just putting it like where I know I'll have a lot of oil throughout the day. Because if you're wearing makeup for a long time and you have combination skin, especially if you're at an event and they have really good lighting, lights are hot and they will make you start sweating, and sometimes when you sweat you get really oily. So next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in shade 420. So I have dark circles under my eyes from being so tired from doing literally everything all the time. All the things all the time, and it shows. Under my eyes get really, really, really dark, and I haven't figured out how to fix them yet. I don't have any blush. I'm gonna be using actually a eyeshadow from my favorite palette ever, Nudes of New York, Maybelline. Y'all, this is a great palette. So I'm gonna start putting on the blush. And yes, I put the blush on under my foundation, but I also put more on top. I actually got this hack from Jackie Aina. It's something that I tried and I liked it, so I keep doing it. And if it's wrong, I kind of don't want to be right. So I don't have an official foundation, full coverage or medium coverage. But right now I'm using basically what they will call a BB cream. And that's the Fenty Ease Drop Blurring Tint. So it's like Fenty's version of a BB cream. And so that's what I use for my foundation. But before I go into doing foundation, I want to go ahead and get my eyes together so that if I get some on my face down here, I can literally cover it over. So for this look, of course, I'm going to be using my favorite palette of all. I also have some other palettes that I bought I wanted to try it because it had some cute colors in them. Now this one I probably won't be using today. I gotta figure out what to do with this. If you have any ideas on what I can do with this palette, please let me know. I have no ideas. But I am using this one. This is the Midnight Magic Brilliant Effects by Black Radiance. Now, one of them broke in transit from the store, but the shades that I want to use today out of here is this one right here. So with my Nudes of New York, I'm gonna go in with a dark color. So I'm gonna be using Voyager right here on my eyeshadow. Look at I always forget about these corners right here, and then when I finish my eyes, I be looking crazy, like something about this shadow looks off. And it's because I be missing this little corner right here. So tip, don't miss this inside corner of your eye. I'm not gonna get technical on what it's called. I don't know, don't care. Just know it's that inside corner of your eye. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. It's called Freakish, and it's kind of a transition color from the base color that I have to kind of build up. Hopefully I can blend it in with the green. But like I said, I wanted this to be a holiday look. So, ooh, yikes, this is scary. So now for the extremely scary part. I am about to put this green on, and it's shimmery, and it's, in my opinion, really bold for me. But please, don't judge me. Look at that. It is really, really green. Can you see that? Ah! Okay. And then I also put some on the inside, just to kind of take away that darkness that I got in there, because it is a bit dark in there. Got a little real with that color. What was the name of that color? Because that really does get everywhere. When they said midnight, this called Spellbound, and yes, it put a spell on my eyes because, ma'am, that stuff didn't have no business being that potent. Definitely, if you're a special effects makeup artist or anything like that, and you need to make somebody look like they got a black eye for cheap, that's a good one. Yeah, I think I like this look. So let me know what you think about this impromptu holiday look. Let me know what's going on. What?
I said it doesn't look bad. Are you filming this?
Yes.
I said it doesn't look bad, but it looks like you came out of a horror movie or something.
Oh, that means that it looks bad.
No, it doesn't.
Why would you say that?
Just saying.